Generative AI models are gaining popularity day by day. In this video, I will show you how to run open source large language models directly on your Android device without needing the root access. You don't need powerful computers or cloud services, just your Android phone to run open source models like LlaMa3, Gemma, tinyllama, and many more. Now for this demonstration, I will be using Pixel 7a, and the procedure will be the same for any Android device. Now open your web browser, visit this GitHub page and download the Termux application. Now make sure you're downloading the file labeled as ARM64v8. Once it's downloaded, proceed to install it on your Android device. Now go ahead and type this command to grant the file storage permission. Then type termux-change-repo. Then select the default mirror and press enter. Now after that, type pkg space upgrade to update the package manager. You will encounter a few prompts for confirmation. Now keep pressing enter to accept the defaults. It's time to install the dependencies. Type this command to set up git, cmake, and golang, and press enter to confirm. Once that's done, head over to the provided link using a web browser, copy this code, and paste it inside the Termux. Hold anywhere inside Termux to bring up the menu controls and select paste. Now delete the last line and press enter. We are using a popular tool named Ollama that allows running open source models locally on Android device. Now, this will take some time depending on the speed of your Android smartphone and the internet connection. When you get stuck on a message, just press enter to finish setting up. And that's it, we are done setting up Ollama. Now, as you can see, we are inside the Ollama directory. And if I type ls, you can see the actual Ollama command highlighted in green color. Now let's try installing a model. Type ./Ollama run Gemma --verbose. This pulls out the latest Gemma 8 billion model from the sources. Now press enter to start downloading. You can also install and run other models in the same way. For more information about the models, check out this URL. And that's it, the model has been downloaded successfully and you can see the prompt has changed. Now press Ctrl+L to clear the screen. Let's pass a prompt and see how it works. You can see it starts generating the output. Although it's very slow on my Pixel 7a, this might be due to the slower processor, but if you try the same with Snapdragon Gen 3 phones, you can see the faster output. When working with Ollama, remember these shortcuts. To stop a model from generating output, press Ctrl+C and then press enter to get back to the prompt. To exit the model and return to the Ollama directory, press Ctrl+D. Now let's try installing the Gemma 2 billion model and see how it works. Now let's pass a prompt and see the results. And there we go. Now this model runs much faster than the 8 billion model and I'm impressed with its performance. I also tested running LlaMa3 and it performed slightly better than the Gemma 8 billion model. Based on my testing, tinyllama and Gemma 2 billion models run much faster on any Android phone without any issues. You can exit the model by pressing Ctrl+D and typing exit to close the termux. To remove Ollama from your Android phone, press and hold the termux icon, choose App Information, select Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Storage. Now this will delete Ollama and the models you downloaded from your Android device. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can run LLMs locally on your Android phone using Ollama. Let me know what do you think about it in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you with the next one.